SAI International Commerce Conclave. It started with 2013 where we had a grand show, and this year it has been grandeur. We had Sri P.R. Ramesh, and it was actually inaugurated by Sri Arun Sahu, Dr. Arun Sahu, Minister for Panchayat Raj and Law. We had the Chairman of Deloitte, Sri P.R. Ramesh, Principal of Sri Ram College of Commerce, Delhi, Dr. P.C. Jain. We had the Vice Chancellor of Utkal University, Dr. Ashok Das. We had luminaries like Sandeep Misra, the resident editor of Times of India. We had Sri Mahendra Gupta, the managing director of Gupta Powers. So we had a cross section of luminaries from the industry, from the consulting, from the academia. The beauty of this conference is we tried to involve all the commerce students of +2 schools in and around Bhubaneswar and from many parts of Odisha, and also the junior colleges in and around Bhubaneswar. It was around 500 people who participated. There was a great learning in this Commerce Conclave. The idea behind Commerce Conclave is to acquaint and familiarize the children with the opportunities of commerce and how commerce can help and be a catalyst in the nation building. How commerce brings in entrepreneurship, how entrepreneurship create national and social wealth, employment opportunities, and that triggers for the development of the state and of the nation. So commerce is a focal point for economic development of any nation. That's what was the key for this. The broad topic for the session, where about 33 set of students gave presentation, was the way ahead to 2022, that is 75th year of independence of India, where India they want to be, how India they want to be, and where they place in 2022 themselves as commerce students in the nation building. It culminated with a grand cultural show where the commerce student showed that they are not only talented in academics but also culturally, music and dance. Overall, the program was very successful. Children were all happy, and I'm sure in the next 2015 Commerce Conclave we'll have more participants. Our endeavor is to make this Commerce Conclave a national event in coming years. And I'm sure all of us are working towards it to make SAI International College of Commerce as one of the premier commerce colleges of the country. For that, we have taken Sri Dr. P.C. Jain, the principal of SRCC, as the advisor, and he is helping us in setting up the best practices and standards for SICC. SICC in the coming days will be a front runner in the commerce education. SAI International School has already taken a quantum leap in commerce education in the +2. We have already given a lot of toppers and good students to the premier institutions of country, be it be CA, be it be law, be it be the premier commerce colleges like SRCC, Nasir Munji or JVR Calcutta. So both SAI International School and SAI International College of Commerce are going to be front runner in the commerce education in this part of the country.